Great job, Max. Spinning screwdrivers. Sounds like someone's upset. Oh, look. It's Max the monster truck and his little sister, Molly. Let's see if we can help. Hello, Max. Hello, Molly. The roundabout needs loosening. Don't worry, Molly. We'll get it turning again. Look, it's the truck family. Hello, baby truck. You need some help to make your kite fly. And I've got an idea. Mechanicals. We'll need some oil and a wrench. Okay, mechanicals, push! Whoa! Not so fast! Oh, nuts and bolts. I'm dizzy. Now to test out my plan. Ready, mechanicals? Careful this time. It worked! Great job, mechanicals. Everyone's having fun. Oh, you're nice and early, Eric. Oh. Mechanicals! Eric's eager to get his repair done. Come on, sleepyheads. You should be full of energy after charging up all night. Let's get Eric's repairs done so he can get going. I don't know what's wrong with them today. Huh? Whoa, you're right, Eric. Their charging bay was unplugged overnight. No wonder they're so run down. Come on, sleepy mechanicals. Time for a charge up. Oh, checkmate. Yay! Okay, mechanicals, you're all fully powered. So, let's get the job done. Finished, Eric. We'll see you soon back here at Gecko's garage. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. This door is really stuck. Was that you, Tilly? Look, it's Trevor the tractor. Oh, sounds like you could use our help. Follow me. Nuts and bolts. I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mex, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. now, Mechanicals! Oh, you need strong muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. Ah, there. That's better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Pull away, friends! Hooray! Great job, team! See you again soon, Trevor. Bye! There you go, Eric. Your arm should be as good as new. Mechanicals, what are you doing? Oh, I see. You're looking for pirate treasure. Yaha, me hearty! What was that noise? Eric's found something. Maybe it's buried treasure. I wonder what these are. Oh, yellow. It might not be gold, but that doesn't mean it isn't treasure. Oh! Ta-da! It's an old railway handcar. But, something is missing. Ah! Wow! Eric's found the old railway. Try it now, Mechanicals! See? Just because something isn't silver and gold doesn't mean it's not treasure. Go, Mechanicals! Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. Okay, got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's garage. See you all soon. Oh, what a lovely sunny day. What on earth is that? Whoa!
With this big balloon, they'll be able to find my garage from miles around. Ha-ha! Who could that be? I'm busy. Max? More air for your tyres? Fine.
Wait! Mr. Weasel isn't putting air in Max's tyres. He's using the helium for the balloon. Which means... Don't worry, Max! I'm coming! Hey! Oh! Spinning screwdrivers!
How is it my fault?
Oh! Oh, don't panic, Max! We'll think of something. Max! If I let some air out of the tyres, we'll go whooshing along like a balloon. Oh! Ah! Ooh! That's it, Max! Aim for the garage! Ah, there you go, Max. Good as new.
I'll show that Gecko once my advertising balloon is ready. Oh!
Hello, Bobby. Oh, dear. Let's replace that old bumper. All right, mechanicals. Could you take the bumper off, please? Very carefully. Oh, steady. Steady. Oh, careful, mechanicals. We need to work together. Oh, thanks, Green. Oh dear. You'll need to finish the repair yourselves, mechanicals. Phew! Thanks, Green. Oh, mechanicals, you need to work together. Oh, nice work, mechanicals. See what a little teamwork can do. All done, Bobby. Nice catch, Green. All right, mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please? Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck!
Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals. Whoa! Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it, and Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals, we've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the Mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down. Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. All right, baby truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! Phew. Thank goodness it stopped raining. Now we can get on with our picnic.
I'm new in town. Cut is the name and the rescuing is the game. I'm here to keep everyone safe.
Hello, Cat. I'm Gecko, and these are the mechanicals. We're just having a picnic. Would you like to join us?
Ooh. Do you have any tuna sandwiches?
I think so. Are there any left, Tilly? Tilly! I'm coming! Oh no! It's too muddy! Tilly's skidding away!
Vamos, Helena. Someone needs rescuing. It won't hook.
Oh! Hang on, Tilly. Keep it steady, Blue. I can't reach!
Gecko, use the umbrella.
Aha! Phew! That was close. Ah, there you go, Tilly.
We make a good team, Gecko.
We do. Thanks for the help, Cat. Look, Red, here comes Cat now. The new winter skids we fitted on Helena helicopter will help her land safely on the snow.
Yeehaw! You did it, Helena.
Hello, Cat.
Hola, Gecko.
Look, Red. Harry and Barry are building a snowman.
Hey, wow.
Spinning screwdrivers. They're drifting away. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck. Don't worry, twins. We'll save you. Grab on, Carrie. Yes. Oh, no. Cat, can you try and reach Barry?
No problemo. Vamos, Helena. Gotcha.
Push the button, Red.
We did it. It's a shame we couldn't save the snowman too. Gecko? Whoops. Lo siento.
That's okay, Cat. We got a snowman after all. Or a snow gecko anyway.
Welcome to the big race, where I, Wilbur T. Weasel, will prove I'm the fastest mechanic in town. In my turbo-powered monster truck.
It's okay, Tilly. We don't need a turbo engine to win. You've never let me down.
Right, Gecko. The race starts when the light turns green. Ready? Steady? Go!
Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck.
I'm looking forward to getting my shiny winner's medal. It'll match my shiny watch.
That's it, Tilly. Nice and steady.
Activate turbo power.
Can't stop. We're racing to the rescue.
Oh, we're sinking. Oh, help!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll get you out of there fast.
I suppose you did win fair and square, but next time I'll be the winner. Oh.
Race back for more fun at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Could you pass me a spanner, please, Blue? That's not a spanner, Blue. It's a wooden spoon. Sounds like baby truck. I wonder what all the excitement's about.
Presenting Wilbur T. Weasel's new electromagnet. Oh! How do I turn it off? Oh!
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's got magnet trouble.
Everything's fine, Gecko. If you could just switch off the power by turning that bolt.
Blue, stop! A magnet attracts anything made of metal. Oh no! Mechanicals! Oh, I know, Mama Recycle. I need to turn the power down, but I can't use a metal tool. Of course! The wooden spoon! Huh? It's okay, friends. I'll free you soon. With a tool I made from a wooden spoon.
That's not going to work.
Is everyone okay? Oh, great. We'll see you all soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! What's that yummy smell?
That's right. A free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Oh! Oh, what's wrong with this stupid thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona fire truck! There's a fire!
We're saved!
others won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.